Hello children, myself Mrs. Dimple Kundar from Seth Vidya Mandir English High School CBSE will continue Maths for Standard 6, Lesson number 12, Ratio and Proportion. So students, let's continue exercise 12.1, question number 10. Okay, in a college out of 4,320 students, 2,300 are girls. Find the ratio of. So now 2,300 are girls. So we have to find the ratio of number of girls to the total number. So how do we do? Number of girls upon total number. Okay, so number of girls are how much? These are the total, and the number of girls are 2,300 upon 4320. Now what do we have to do? We have to reduce it. I can cut off the zeros first. Then I can do it by the table of 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 ones are 2, and 2 fives are 10. Okay. You can do it in the rough work also. 2 twos are 4, 2 ones are 2. I carry 1 and 6. Now 115 upon 216. Now 115 upon 216, will it go in any other table to reduce it? It cannot go in the table of 2. It cannot go in the table of 3. So my ratio will be 115 is to 216. Next part is number of boys to the number of girls. Now number of boys are not given. They have told that these many are total students and so many are girls. So now we have to find the number of boys. How will we do that? 4,320. So number of boys will be 4,320 minus 2,300. So the units place first. So 20, 3 minus 3, 0, and 4 minus 2, 2. So 2,020 are the number of boys. Now we'll compare number of boys to the number of, yes, girls, the ratio. Okay, so the number of boys we found out is 2020, and the number of girls given was 2300. Now what do we do? First we cut off the zeros and then goes in the table of 2. 2 ones are, 2 zeros are, and 2 ones are. Again 2 ones are, 2 ones are, and 2 fives are. Now this cannot, so I got 101 upon 115. Now this cannot be reduced further. So my ratio is 101 is to 115. Okay. Move on. Number of, the third one, number of boys to the total number of students. Now the number of boys we already found out and we already have the total number of students. So number of boys upon total number. Now number of boys we found out was 2020 and the total number of students is 4320. Now again the zeros get cut. Now both will go in the table of 2 101 and 2 216. We had already found out when you divide by 2 you get 216. Here when we divide by 2 we get 101. So 101 upon 216. This cannot be reduced further. So my answer is 101 is to 216. Move on. Next question number 11. Out of 1,800 students in a school, 750 opted basketball. Opted means they went for basketball. 800 opted for cricket and the remaining for table tennis. If a student can opt only one game, find the ratio of. So we have that the number of students who opted for basketball and cricket and the remaining were for tennis. So now A, find out the number of students who opted for basketball and the number of students who opted for table tennis. Now number of basketball is already given, but table tennis, how we will find out? Yes, from the total we will subtract the number of cricket and basketball. So first we will add cricket students are how much? 800 and basketball is 750. So I will add it up. 8 plus 7, 15. Now total was how much? 1800. And for these two games, we got 1550. So when I will subtract this, I will get the people for children for table tennis, TT. Okay. So we minus 0 minus 0, 0. Borrow 10 minus 5, 5 and 7 minus 5, 2. So for table tennis, only 250. Now what is the question? Number of students who opted for basketball and number of students for table tennis. So we will write basketball upon table tennis. The number of students. Number of students for basketball was 750 and for table tennis it is 250. Now we reduce it. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 25 ones are and 25 threes are. So it is 3 upon 1. So my ratio will be 3:1. Question number part B. Number of students who opted for cricket to the number of students who opted for basketball. So now we will write cricket upon the students having basketball. Now number of students for cricket was 800 and the students for basketball was 750. Now what do? We reduce it. So first 0, 0 gets cancelled. Now both will go in the table of 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 6 are 30. 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. So my fraction to the lowest form is 16 upon 15. So my ratio will be 16:15. So the number of students for cricket and basketball. Next C part, number of students who opted for basketball to the total number of students. So again we will write basketball upon the total. Now basketball was 750 and the total number of students was, what is it given? 1800. So I will write 1800. Now I will reduce it. They will go in the table of 0 and then cut off 5. 5 ones are 5 and 5 5s are 25. 5 3s are 15 and 6 are 36. Now I got 15 upon 36. Will it both go in the table of 3? Yes. 3 5s are 15 and 3 12s are 36. So now I get one more reduced fraction, 5 upon 12. So this is the lowest one. So it will be 5:12. So ratio of basketball to the total students will be 5:12. We continue. Question number 12. Cost of a dozen pens is rupees 180 and cost of 8 ball pens is rupees 56. Find the ratio of the cost of a pen to the cost of a ball pen. Now the units are indirectly different. This is the cost for dozen pen and this is the cost for 8 ball pens. Dozen means 12 and we have to find the ratio between a pen and a ball pen. That means we have to first find the cost of single one ball pen and one pen. So 12 pens, 180 rupees. So one pen will be how much? 180 divided by 12. Okay. Now 2 6 are 12, 2 9s are 18 and 20. 90 upon 6, 3 2s are and 3 30s are and again 2 1s are and 2 15s are. So cost of one pen is rupees 15. This is the cost of a pen. Similarly, 8 ball pens 56. So 8 ball pens rupees 56. So one ball pen will be how much? 56 divided by 8. That is rupees 7. That is for a ball pen. Okay. Now what do we have to find? The ratio of the cost of a pen to the ball pen. So ratio of pen to ball pen. Cost of a pen was 15 and cost of a ball pen is 7, and this cannot be reduced, so my ratio will be 15:7. Okay, so first thing here we have to find the cost of a single pen and a single ball pen and then find the ratio.